Hey guys, welcome back to Rukia's kitchen channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious fried veggies. Oh my god, like these veggies are super tasty. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. So the first step, I'll start by cutting our vegetables. For those people who don't know cauliflowers, these are cauliflowers and this is how we cut them. Then you'll also do the same thing with the broccoli. You'll just cut the stem and then you'll just remove them from the stem and cut the stems as you can able to see in the video. And I got some okra here. You can cut the okra into small pieces or long strips like so. And lastly, I also do have an eggplant. You can cut the eggplant into long strips or small pieces like so, and the rest of the vegetables you know them. And once ready, you're going to clean all the vegetables thoroughly. Afterwards, we're going to fry all the vegetables. Place a frying pot on a medium heat, pour some oil and let the oil to become hot. Then you're going to dip the vegetables, the cauliflower, broccoli and the rest of the vegetables and deep fry them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, and once ready, place them aside on a plate. Then it's high time to cook our vegetables in tomato sauce. Place a pot on a medium heat and pour a bit of oil. I've used the same oil which I use to fry the vegetables. Cut one large onion and cook the onion until golden brown. Then I'm going to use 4 pieces of garlic. You're going to crush them and grind them until smooth. Then add it into the onions and cook again for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. And then you're going to add tomatoes. I've used the canned tomatoes, approximately 4 pieces, or you can able to use 3 large tomatoes that you've cut them into pieces, and cook the tomatoes until soft. Followed by crushed green bell pepper. Add it and cook again. Then I'm going to add spices. You can reduce the spices or you can add more spices. Personally, I've added 1 tablespoon of paprika, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Royco, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and lastly 1 piece of Maggi cube. Mix everything well and let the tomatoes to cook until soft. Once the tomatoes are soft and nicely cooked like this, then lastly we're going to add the vegetables that we fry them in the beginning and mix the vegetables with the tomato sauce until nicely mixed. Without not forgetting, we're going to squeeze lime or lemon to add an extra amazing taste to the vegetables and cover them to let them cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, and your veggies will be ready. And our delicious tasty vegetables are ready, as you can able to see in the video. Oh my god, like these veggies were absolutely delicious. You can serve along with some bread, chapati, rice or anything that you like and enjoy your veggies. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like, share and do subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye.